Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify login problem that this email and password combination is incorrect. If you're using an iPhone and you're having this type issue that this email and password combination is incorrect, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So go ahead to your quick settings and here you have to connect to a stable internet connection, or you can easily try to switch between your cellular or Wi-Fi, or enable your airplane mode and then briefly disable it. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have to open your Spotify, and here you have to relaunch your Spotify, close all of your apps, then open your Spotify app again, and here you have to tap on this login option, then select continue with the email, and here you have to enter your email. Or you can easily try login without password. Simply tap on this, and here you have to enter only your email or username. Once you have entered your Gmail, you have to tap on this send a link option, and here you have to open your email app, and here you have to wait for Spotify message. Simply tap on it and then tap on this link. Once you have tapped, you will automatically logged into your account. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue that your Spotify email and password combination is incorrect, and in this way, you can easily log in without using your password into Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.